In this portion, I'm going to show the balance. Here, this is the airfoil. In the airfoil, I have 4 forces: aerodynamic forces, lift, weight, thrust, drag. And this portion, the front portion of airfoil is called leading edge, and the back portion is called trailing edge. In aircraft also, in the wing, we call leading edge, and this is trailing edge. And the air or fluid moves from leading edge to trailing edge. First, lift. Lift is the force. It is a force which is directly opposed to weight, and which help to hold the airfoil in the fluid. Okay, it is mechanical aerodynamic force produced by motion. When an airfoil moves through the fluid, it creates a force which is a mechanical aerodynamic force, that is lift. The basic lift equation is L is equal to half rho v square SCL, where rho is the density of air or fluid, v velocity, S surface area, Cl is coefficient of lift. Next, weight. Weight is acted due to gravity. This is the weight which is the opposite to lift, that is downward force. Next one is thrust, forward acting force due to the propulsion system. This is the thrust. In aircraft, there is what? Engine. Engine is the propulsion system which create thrust. It's a forward motion or forward force. Next, drag. Drag means backward acting force due to thrust. It is the opposing force on airfoil. This is drag. Drag is the opposing force of thrust. There are different types of drag. I will explain you in next section. Next, we are going to look about the terminologies of airfoil. This is the airfoil. Airfoil. This is the leading edge and trailing edge. We know that. So the distance, shortest distance from leading edge to trailing edge is called chord line. That is the straight line joining leading edge and trailing edge from here to here. This is chord line. And there will be upper surface and lower surface. There will be midpoint between the upper surface and lower surface. By joining all those points, we get camber line. That is, it passes through the midsection of the airfoil. And when the airfoil is in fluid or in air, let us consider this will be the motion of airfoil, direction of motion of airfoil, and the wind will be in this direction. So the difference between this angle is called alpha. Alpha is angle of attack. Next, chord line. I told you once, straight line connecting leading edge and trailing edge. Leading edge and trailing edge. Or this is also called shortest distance from leading edge to trailing edge. And chord line is also called chord, that is C, represented by C. Next, camber line, also called camber, the line joining leading edge and trailing edge through the center points or center of the airfoil. That's midsection. Next, shape of the airfoil is defined using these two factors. Let us consider this will be one of the airfoil and this will be another airfoil. Like this will be chord and this should be the camber. This will be symmetric and this will be different. Upper surface and lower surface will be different. So this will be the chord and this will be the camber line. So the shape of the airfoil is defining using the geometries. First one means camber line. Second one, thickness of airfoil.